Hi, I'm Skip Richter. I'm County Extension Agent in Horticulture for Texas A&M AgriLife Extension in Brazos County. Today I'm going to talk about cole crops. Cole crops, that's C-O-L-E, not cold. Cole crops are also called brassicas, and they are some of the healthiest vegetables that you can grow. I like to refer to them as the blue-leafed vegetables because they include things like broccoli and cabbage and cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, collards, kale. There's lots of great, healthy, cruciferous vegetables that we call cole crops that you can grow in the garden. They like a soil that's loose and well drained, and they also like to have good nitrogen and other nutrient fertilization while they're growing. You want them to grow fast and produce well. With things like broccoli, we pick the heads while they're still very tight. That's the buds are all tight together. They can loosen a little bit and begin to bloom, and you can still eat them, but that's not the ideal stage for harvesting. With kale, the younger leaves are the best ones to pick, but you can allow them to reach almost full size and harvest them at that stage. Kale's pretty tough. Like collards, it can go on into summer, although the flavor becomes stronger at that time. With cauliflower, most people like a tight white head of cauliflower, and so either you choose varieties that tend to grow their leaves over the head, or you can gather the leaves together, put them together with a clothespin or something else, and keep that head from receiving sunlight. That makes it nice and blanched or white colored as opposed to kind of yellowish. Both are fine to eat. It's just a tradition to have the whiter cauliflower. One cool thing about broccoli is after you harvest the main head and cut it off of the plant, it will begin to sprout side sprouts like this, and you get continued harvest from your broccoli plant. Another thing is you can grow these plants in containers. If you have a container about 2 to 5 gallons in size, you can grow broccoli plants in it, or kale, or all the other ones I've mentioned. Or you can grow them in a wheelbarrow, which I like because you can move it into a warm garage on a freezing cold night. Broccoli and these cole crops do very well in a large container like a wheelbarrow. Cole crops like broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower are grown really all over the state. A lot of them are grown down in what we call the valley, the Rio Grande Valley, down in the southern part of Texas, but you'll find cole crops especially in home gardens everywhere. So the cole crops like broccoli and cabbage and cauliflower have a number of health-promoting substances, including vitamin C, which keeps our immune system healthy and strong, and vitamin E, which helps also to boost the immune system, vitamin K, which is important for healthy bones and blood clotting, and then folate or folic acid, which our body needs to make DNA and other materials that help our cells divide. So this year, why not try to grow some of your own healthy cole crops like broccoli or kale in your garden? They're delicious and healthy.